Alright, so a few of you have been wondering how Waze works and what it looks like on this head unit. So I'm going to show you Waze through the independent app version and also Waze through Android Auto as well as Waze through Apple Carplay. So first things first, I'm going to download Waze onto this head unit. So I'm going to go into my apps. First of all, I have this connected to my phone's mobile hotspot, so it's on Wi-Fi. And I'm going to go into the Play Store, Google Play Store. I'm going to search for Waze. I'm going to install it. Alright, so now that it's installed, I can open it. So here's a look at the Waze interface. Select vehicle type. Since this is the first time I'm setting it up here, I'm going to do that. Okay, so let's go somewhere.
In 0.1 mile, turn left. Nom nom, whoa, nom 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 nom.
Okay, so obviously I have Cookie Monster set as my voice navigation. The kids like it, so I have it set there. So.
Nom nom, whoa, nom 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 nom.
In 900 feet, turn left on Green Lawn Avenue.
In 0.1 mile, turn left. Nom nom, whoa, nom nom.
So once again, this is the Waze application as an independent app in the head unit.
Turn left. Nom nom, whoa, nom 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 nom.
And right now, I'm going to show you yet another way that you can use Waze. This is kind of a nice bonus. So I'm going to turn off my data connection. So I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off. And now you'll see that I'm not connected to data. However, I can still use Waze, although not in its full capacity. So what that means is, now that I have my location searched for and saved, it's going to continue giving me step-by-step directions. So you'll see as I start driving, it'll say like looking for data connection or something, but it'll still give me step-by-step instructions once I've disconnected. So you'll see it says searching network, and what that means is that I'm disconnected from data. So you'll see that Waze is still functional while I'm no longer connected. When I say functional, I don't mean 100% functional, but I mean that
right.
It will continue giving me directions to my destination once it's already saved into the system. So,
red light camera reported ahead. Yeah, red light, me friend Elm.
I'm still able to receive these sort of notifications and warnings as I'm driving on no data. One of the drawbacks of not having it disconnected is now that I have no data connected, if I want to search for a brand new place to go to where I haven't been before, let's go to the forum. The forum. So now I have it typed in. You'll see that if I do a search, there's no results. And of course I've got the little sad Waze guy because he can't find any destinations named the forum around me because obviously I'm not connected to data. So you'll see on the GPS here that it still knows my location, and unfortunately it won't take me step by step to the forum, but it'll still show me where I am while I'm driving, which is cool. So let me just show you once again a brand new search, a place that I've already typed in. I believe I've typed in Staples Center in the past. Staples Center, yep. So here it is. It's popping up because I have searched for it before and it has taken me there. So if I click on this, it'll show me my route, my destination, and my step-by-step instructions. So that's kind of cool. So you'll see here it says no network connection. So once again, I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi, but since I've searched for this location on Wi-Fi before, it knows it's saved it as a destination, and it'll be able to tell me where to go.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Anyway,
Red
so
light, me friend Elm.
all right, so Cookie Monster is getting a little annoying. You'll see, you've seen that it works just fine.
Turn left.
Without data, as long as you're going to a location that you have already searched for. As you can see here, I've got no Wi-Fi, okay, and I'm going to connect the iPhone here. So I currently have a USB connection to my head unit, right? This is going into the dongle, and the USB is going to connect to the phone here. So since I have my phone here, you'll see it's plugged in, Carplay, and then I'm going to activate my Carplay. And so we're going to click into Waze, and I'm going to search for a location, and I want to go to the new football stadium, SoFi Stadium. There it is.
Let's get started. Drive safely. Turn left.
So I should be approaching a red light camera soon.
Red light camera reported ahead.
And there's the warning. That is kind of a nice little warning to have with Waze. Now I'm going through it. Alright, so now that you've seen Apple CarPlay, I'm going to show you Android Auto. Alright, so I've got the phone connected. Let's activate my Android Auto. So here is the interface again for Android Auto. You can see, as I mentioned in my Android Auto video, that all of the graphics are just stretched out. And so I'm gonna click on Waze here. Let's do a search. Let's go to SoFi Stadium once again. And if you're wondering why the screen is a little darker here, I have my phone on night mode. I actually prefer to have the night mode on, so this is what you're looking at here. Okay, so
Boulevard Inglewood. In 600 feet, turn right on Lenawee Avenue, then turn left.
So you'll notice that with Android Auto, this is something that I noticed immediately, is that when I hear the verbal cues, the words are cut off at the end. So if you listen to the sentence, the person speaking won't complete the sentence. It'll be a little bit cut off. So I'm gonna start driving. and maybe you'll notice it as I go along. So.
Make a U-turn on Bowcroft Street.
Did you hear that? She never said the full word street. So I'm gonna drive towards that same red light camera. Obviously I'm not going to the football stadium, but you know, I just typed in a destination so that I have some instructions.
Red light camera reported ahead.
So that's doing a good job of reporting the red light cameras. You know, for the sake of having kind of an equal comparison, I'm gonna turn off the night mode on my phone and show you the way that the screen looks in regular daytime mode. So hang on a second. Alright, so I turned off dark mode and I'm going to resume my drive.
In 800 feet, turn right.
Alright, so that's it. You guys have been able to see Waze through Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the independent app version. I just wanted to give you guys a look at those three, and really 3.5 different ways that you can use Waze, pun intended. And hopefully you find that useful. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.